Hello everyone! Apple just dropped a game changer introducing Apple Music Sing. Stick around as we explore this incredible new feature. So, by default, it's your regular music experience. But here's the magic. Head over to the lyrics view and there's a new button called Sun Sound. Clicking that removes the lyrics and unleashes the instrumental. It syncs in real time and trust me, it's a blast. You can always bring the lyrics back if you want, but having the option to switch between lyrics and instrumental in real time is a game changer. So, if you're a music enthusiast, this is a feature you don't want to miss. And remember that if you are new with Apple Music, now everyone gets free trial period for 3 months directly in App Store. And if you decide, you can always cancel subscription if you go to Menu, Settings, Apple ID, then Subscription, choose App Cancel, and that's how easy it is to cancel your Apple Music subscription. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.